Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic wellness planner. So this is the original cover for it, and the original outline or layout of this planner looks like this. But I decided for the month of August that I would franken-clan and use this layout from the Wrong Fitness planner. So this week I am going to use Dream Seeker. I love this sticker book. I used it in all of my many happy planner spreads this week, so why not use it in this one this week? All right, let's get started. All right, so I've gone ahead and wiped it out, as I normally do. I've whited out the dates there and then put in my own stickers for the dates, just because I do start this on a Friday. The reason I do that is because the way I track foods in my Weight Watchers or my WW app is by Friday, because that's my weigh-in day. So what I want to do, go into Dream Seeker, which is the older book. This is the newer book because it still has florals in it. Okay, so what I want to do is put something down the side here. And I love the longer stickers to put down the side. Oh, have I used them all? Oh. Good. I'll put notes. Move this over. So I'll focus on this side here. Put notes. And again, this will kind of be a little bit of a mood tracker for the week. I also feel like it's not this book, is it, that has, oh, it does. Has habit trackers. I wonder, I'm trying to think what I could use this for, the habit tracker. I'm gonna think about that a little bit more. There's a Dream, but I'm wondering if I could just instead put florals down that, or feathers. Florals or feathers? Yeah, I have 2 feathers left in this book. Wild at Heart. Beautiful, inhale, courage, exhale. Wow, I have used this book a lot. Oh, okay, let's do this one. Dream. Will there be enough room? Oh yeah. So put this down. Dream, seek, and achieve. Okay, so then in this top portion here, I'm going to outlet like this. So these 2 top portions I can decorate because I don't actually use them for anything. And I'm going to finish the 2 feathers that are left on this page. And oh, one on here. And then the other one, if I can take that off, one on this side. Oh, and another sticker sheet empty. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticker sheets empty in that sticker book. 6. At least 6 in here. Ooh, a few more. Okay, so now going into my second Dream Seeker sticker book, because, well, it's just gorgeous. Do I just stick to feathers, or should I add in some florals? I could do florals because there are some florals in here. I'm just thinking, I love these ones so much that I almost don't want to let go of them. Ugh. Which is bad because I should use the stickers. If I have them, I should use them. But I also like the feathers. I feel like I've been going with the feather theme all week, but maybe I'll just keep doing that. There we go. I didn't actually mean to put 2 feathers of almost the same color next to each other, but hey ho, and I can't lift it up now. So, no, I really am about trying to use up all the stickers that you have. Saying that though, I'm having a really hard time with using up all the Dream Seeker. I love the Dream Seeker stickers, so I almost don't want to use them all up. I'll move this one down like this here. Okay. I actually really like that. Now I'm going to go back into this one and find a box. Oh, there was a reflect too. That would have been better. That's okay. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll do this yellow, and that will be for my weigh-in for Friday. Although my weigh-in's not happening on the Friday. My weigh-in is happening on the Thursday. But you know what? I will keep track of it here. The reason that the weigh-in is happening on the Thursday is because we are going to be in Canmore on the Friday. I'll still keep it there anyway. Then for focus, I'm gonna white that out, and then for focus I'm going to use one of these. I feel like I need to cut that. Scissors! Oh my god, where are my scissors? I rearranged stuff and now I don't got it. They were under my planner. So cut off a little bit and then place that down. There we go. Okay. I like that. I like that so far. But now I want to I want to find a quote that goes right across here. The thing with the quotes in this one though is that you are rare. There we go. You are brave. Just be brave. Like they get to work. And goal. There we go. Now find the little flags, and this will be basically used for everything. So do I have lots of those little flags left, or was that the only page of flags? I feel like that was the only page of flags to, ooh, no, I could use these. Alrighty. Okay, so this will be, how do I want to do this? Okay, let's start. Oops. I'm wondering, okay, I'm gonna start like this, and then like this, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a rainbow here. Putting all these down. This will be for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Making sure I have enough space between the three, and already you can see that I haven't spaced it out as evenly as I should have. But that's okay. Yeah. Oh, I like this. I can do like almost a Dream Seeker rainbow with these stickers. Cute. Okay, then go to green, blue, purple. Let's do this. So that's green. Oops, I'm putting them down wrong. Huh. They were put down like this, and I put them down the other way. I don't know. Like that. Oh well. And then this green. And then blue and purple. I chose to do 2 greens because, well, I love green. So why not? There we go. So yes, I am doing this spread ahead of time. Normally I film this spread the Thursday before the Friday starts, but because we will be in Canmore that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I will not be filming. So I'm doing all of these videos almost a week in advance because of that trip, which is fine. There we go. And then lastly, purple. Oh, I like that. Really cute. Actually, really cute. I'm wondering if I should do something similar down here with the exercise and even with the sleep. Let's see how many of the flags we have. We had enough. Oops. Somewhat. Not really. I don't have enough of the flag stickers to cover all of the colors. No, I wouldn't have enough. That's okay. So I'm going to leave that as is actually, and then I'm going to go ahead and write that in. For now, I'm going to add a couple more, maybe small feathers, if I can find them, unless I used them all already. I might have, ooh, teeny tiny ones. Okay. Oh, so we'll place one here, and place one, oh, come on, down here. And I think what I also want to do, there's these like reflect the best mantra, maybe I could put the best, you know, under blue. Try and still keep it to the actual color. Oh, come on. I love it when my camera cuts out on me like that. I feel like I've created kind of a rainbow spread here without necessarily meaning to, and I love the way that it looks. I love adding the best and reflect in there in the kind of rainbow scheme here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in Friday, and then I'll fill in the rest of that and I'll show you the finished result. So in this section here, I'm going to reflect on my mood. So I'm going to just write the day, and then each day kind of do a general word about what my mood is. And it can certainly, holy crap, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, do I not know my days of the week? Totally skipped Saturday, Sunday. What was I thinking? Yeah, I really shouldn't be talking when I'm writing down the days of the week. But anyway, it's just choosing one word that will kind of help sum up how I felt about the day. And actually for some, you know, I mean, we don't have one constant feeling throughout the whole day. But, you know, I'll try and choose one word for the day that really fits. So then in here will be the weigh-in. And I'm actually going to write it that it will be for Thursday, because I'll be away. And this will be for sleep and water. Wow, that is terrible hand lettering. I apologize. So I keep track of sleep. My sleep score I get from my Fitbit, and water. Then for the food log, I'm not going to actually write anything right now for the food log, especially for Friday and Saturday, as we are going to be away. So I'm going to leave those empty, but normally I do have a plan for what breakfast, lunches, and dinners are going to be. But because we're going to be on vacation, I'm I'm just gonna take it as it goes. And then for Friday, I've decided that I'm going to do a workout through the Fit On app, through the WW app, which is gonna be, I'm gonna do 20-minute ultimate leg day. And then try to do as well 10-minute quick hit booty. I always find it weird saying booty. And then we're also going to do hikes that day, and then steps and calories burned for the day. I'm going to now fill in the rest of this here, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's all done. So here's the finished spread all filled out. So I wrote all the days of the week in here for my mood. And then in here in this row is where I'm tracking my sleep and my water. So I try to do about 2 liters of water every day. So my cup has 500 mils, so 8 of those cups, 2 liters. And then in my food log, I don't have anything for Friday or for Saturday, just because those are the days that we are in Canmore and we're probably going to eat out on those days, which is fine. I filled out my breakfast, which is, I normally have the same breakfast all the time because, well, it's good and I don't change it too often. And then I have my lunches. I still need to figure out what lunch is going to be on Thursday. And then we have my family's party on Sunday, so I haven't tracked anything there yet. And then I've planned out the meals that we're going to have the rest of the week. Then down here, I've written out my workouts that I want to do along with the steps and calories that I'm going to track every day. So just as a note, I mean, if things change, I do just cross them out, or I use whiteout and write it in, and anything else I add in. So this is kind of a living document or an ongoing document that can change. It's not going to look like this at the end of the week. At the end of the week, it's going to be all filled out with some things crossed out, some things whited out. And that's great because it's just the way that I like to use my wellness planner. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.